All right, hold up. Y'all come on in here. Let's go. Is there a guest here that hasn't filled out a piece of paper? All right, we're good? We're going to drive B section. Everybody should know where they're going or who they're going with. Hunter, you probably need to drive your truck down and take Mike and... Does your...
Yeah,
he's got a four-wheeler? Okay. Robert knows where you and Mike, right? Hunter and Mike. Arnie?
They both have four-wheelers. They need to ride on four-wheelers.
Okay.
Hunter, Austin's truck's already going to be back.
Okay, yeah, you're right. You going to the box blind?
Yeah.
Y'all two know where you're going. You know where Tyler's going and your grandfather's going. Y'all two know where you're going, right? Gary and your brother know where you're going. Brian, I just sit up here at the truck.
Nice, thank you. Can I get on top of the trailer?
All right, so we're gonna run that section. We're gonna come out. We're gonna run this section. Hopefully we'll still have dogs. We'll come out and run this section. We'll eat some lunch and we'll go run this section. That's the plan for today. I got one outstanding rule. I don't care if you've been here for 20 years. We don't load our guns till we get on the stands. Got a lot of new guys here. People we don't know, they don't know us. Load your guns on the stands, offload your gun coming out of the stand unless you're tracking a deer or something like that. Just trying to keep everybody safe. If you're on a road, we all should have radios. If you don't, I have a couple left. Well, I have one left. Channel 5. If you're on a road and somebody's down from you or somebody's up from you, kind of communicate, hey, I'll shoot to this, you shoot to that. You know what I'm saying? So everybody knows, don't come around this corner because you might get shot. So whoever is down from you or up from you, y'all make sure you communicate so you won't be shooting each other. Okay?
We're pretty tight. Don't move a whole lot.
Yeah, don't move. So, any questions? Oh, nice harness. That's not your harness. All right. Y'all ready? Let's go. Yep. Yes.
Who am I going with?
You going with him? Yes, sir. I just did. Hey, has anybody got extra radio?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Channel 5?
Yeah, Channel 5.
Yeah. Hey, Austin. I'll be ready to creep. Send them all that way.
Hey, Jeff.
Yes, sir.
I have no idea.
Are you fucking kidding me?